Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video of Review into Huck's World. And today we got another product for you all to check out. This is going to be a screen protector, not for your display, but it's going to be for your lens. Now, it's for the Galaxy Note 10 Plus and the Galaxy Note 10 5G. Now, this is supposed to be a 9H hard glass. It's supposed to be scratch resistant. It's supposed to be bubble free when applying it. So there's nothing you have to do. It should be pretty easy. I'm going to be honest with you. I did one and it was fairly easy. You get 5 tries out of this because 5 comes in the box, and it only costs $6.99 on Amazon.com. I will leave a link in the description where you guys can go check this out. All right, with that being said, let's go ahead and let's have a look at this. Now, as I said, in the box, you're going to get 5 of these screen protectors, right? It's going to come in a plastic bag like this, and we're going to put that to the side. Also, you get the absorber, the guider, and also you're going to get your wet and dry wipes. All right, we're going to put this to the side and let's get one of these ready, and we got to get the screen protector ready as well. Okay, we got to get one of these so we can get off any dust that may be on here. Just stick it on there till you feel you got all of it off. Then we're going to get the wet wipe. We're going to wipe it down. Make sure we got it nice and clean. Dry wipe. Now we get the screen protector. Now you got to see which end it comes out so you know where to put the guider onto this thing here. So we're going to stick it on this end, and then we're going to peel this back. We don't want to touch it. I'm going to turn this to the side, and we're going to try to line it up as perfect as possible. Okay, you got to slide it around a little bit. Once you see it's on there perfect, go ahead, put it down, just like that. Once you got it, got to kind of peel this end off. There you go, just kind of push this in a little bit and just hold it. And once you get it, it should look like this. Perfect. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative, and if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.